everyone, and welcome to the series of top influencer interviews by newmomlife.com. Today, we'll be interacting with one of the top blogger, Akanksha. Akanksha is a young dynamic personality who has brought waves to the online media. She is a successful blogger and manages a website, buddingstar.com. Not only this, she also manages a group, Parenting Mom Style, on Facebook that has evolved as one of the biggest Facebook communities. Wow! In this session, Akanksha shares her blogging journey with us, her take on newmomlife.com, and also shares some blogging tips for starters. So let's get to interact with Akanksha. So, hello Akanksha, and welcome to this series of top influencer interviews by newmomlife.com. How are you?
I am doing fine. How about you?
I am perfectly fine, and thanks for connecting. It is a great, pleasure to have you in this series of interviews. Thank you.
That's my pleasure.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So before starting, I would like to mention that I will be recording it and we'll be uploading it on the YouTube channel and the website that we manage. So are you fine with that?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. So shall we proceed with the session now?
Yes.
Okay, great. So first I would like to ask you that can you please tell us something about your blog and your Facebook group that you are managing?
All right. So thank you, Geetika, for connecting. Well, my name is Akanksha. Well, I have a parenting and health website called Budding Star. Well, that's basically a blogging platform where mothers share their parenting experiences and can get answers to all their queries related to baby, childcare, tips, pre-pregnancy, pregnancy care tips, everything is there. Yeah. So I live in Chandigarh, so we don't have such kind of a websites over here. So that's why getting an edge over here. And so in 2017 April, I started my website, and now getting a monthly traffic of around 40 to 50,000 on my website. And and now we have many mother bloggers on board who write for us, and they also get paid for that. And like in November 2017, I started my Facebook community called Parenting Mom Style that has around 46.2 Indian moms all over India. Where moms share their parenting experiences, and they can ask any query, or they can take suggestion without getting being judged. So yes, every day it's growing organically, and that's it.
Yes. So nice to know that. It's a great initiative rather from your side, connecting all the moms together and building such a large community. So you have, such a big community you have. So when and how did it all happen? I mean, how did you decide to start this initiative?
So yes, like a blog like my nephew, he was born. So that's Budding Star is my brother's idea. So when we searched about, he had that colic issue, right? Like starting when he was born. So when we were searching over the internet regarding the home remedies, so we didn't get that, that proper portal where we can get that home remedies. So we thought of, curating our website, just because, like I live in Chandigarh, so the northern parenting is entirely different from the southern Indian parenting, right? So we wanted that content that that can correlate Panjiri in the pregnancy, because so we thought of curating this website, and then that's how it happened. Budding Star happened, and then so community, it happened because I wanted to share the blogs, I would share the blogs on social media. So I started my community. I didn't know that it would grow into a mom-based community, but then I was very strict from day one that I'll not approve that kind of post, jokes and all, YouTube links like that. So that's why it grew organically. Moms started relying on the community, and they do rely now also. So yeah.
Great. So, what kind of reactions do you get from moms when you have them in this kind of community, and how do you feel helping them out?
See, there are mixed reactions, right? So
Mhm.
the coin has two sides, right?
Yeah.
So yes, I received a lot of love from the moms, but then sometimes it happens. It's a big community, right? So sometimes you cannot monitor all the comments coming from the moms. So
Mhm.
sometimes they start fighting, like being so strict in the community. But then
Mhm.
yes, it happens, and
Mhm.
then. Um, मतलब वो करते करते कि नहीं जज करना कई कई बारी हो जाता है, but then yes, the reaction is overall is like loving
Good.
from the
Yeah.
mom
Mhm.
community, like from the
Mhm.
mom members, because they are getting that kind of a platform where they can showcase their talents, and they can speak their heart out. That's more important. And
Mhm.
in the community, because it's a huge community, so it can
Mhm.
be like friends के आगे friends भी हैं. So
Mhm.
अब क्या है कि so there's a feature in the Facebook community called anonymous post, where they can post it
Anonymity, yes.
anonymously, and yeah, so without getting the judge also, and also
Mhm.
the identity won't be revealed. Yeah. So
Okay, okay. Great, great, great.
overall the reaction is perfect.
Yeah, I've seen that in the group.
I made a lot. Yes, I made a lot of friends from my Facebook community.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. Okay, great. So, Akanksha, you're a big name now, right? And everyone knows you. So, how do you feel being among the best?
Oh, not at all. It's
No,
not
no,
like
you
that.
are,
Well,
you are,
I feel.
yeah. Hmm.
Nahin, nahin. It's not like that. But what I feel is that learning never stops. Every day is a new day. And every day I learn a lot of new things in blogging in my Facebook community. So it's not like that.
Hmm.
I am very much approachable. I mean, any member can approach me. Sometimes they ask me some personal problems, like queries. They ask me, and they are like, I just I just have a word with them, and I always say to them, ki, okay, you need an advice, or you just want a key ear just to listen it out. So yes, so well, I feel that it's not like that. It's big name and all that. Everyone is doing their work, like very in like everyone is doing very good in their own respective area. So yeah, and yes, learning never stops. So every day I learn a lot of new things, and I read a lot on blogging, YouTubing, and everything now. So
Okay. Okay, so what are your suggestions to the newbies into this field of blogging and everything? What are your suggestions to them?
so like जो भी मतलब जो भी कोई पूछता है suggestion, so first suggestion is that to start it. Because everyone are like, okay, I need to start an Instagram blog, or a website, self-hosted website, or YouTube. So I just ask them, just start it, because if you're gonna start it, I think the door automatically opens for you.
Yes, yes.
If you'll do the work like very religiously, like बहुत ज़्यादा effort डालोगे, so I think door automatically opens. And second is that like more than hard work, you should be loyal towards your work. That's very much important. And yes, so these are the tips. And the third is if you're starting your own blog, always ये सोच के चलो कि आपको थोड़ा बहुत पैसा तो करना पड़ेगा spend. So yes, ठीक है. If you're starting your own blog, do have your self-hosted website. And second, from the day one, your content should be planned. Content planning, as in ki, the keyword research and everything. And yes, third is that you should have a SEO manager. That you cannot end up doing all the things. You need to have again, you need to invest the money, because it's your dream, it's your passion, and that's it. Yeah.
Okay, so building such kind of community is definitely not easy, Akanksha, and there must be some difficult and challenging times for you as well. So how did you manage those?
See, I told you that I started my community because I wanted to share my blogs.
Yes.
So, but then I am able to monetize through my community as well. But then I was very strict from day one that I'll not just approve all the links and YouTube links and all the blog links. So I have charted out the plans for if someone has just joined my community just to share the YouTube links, website links, or someone is a mompreneur or something like that. So I have charted some plan for them, and how I have built this huge community. First is through the contest. To be very honest, because if we are giving something to the members, of course they'll pay attention to that. And secondly, I always have we care attitude. I always care for my member. I mean, each and every member is important to me. If they'll ping me around 12 o'clock, if I am awake, I'll definitely reply back. Yes. If they are connecting to me on WhatsApp, I'll definitely, because now I have a team of moderators and like that. But then I always try to connect them in person, and so that's how it grows. Community grows, and the content because now Facebook is flooded with so many Facebook communities. It's not like that. Parenting Momstyle is the only one. Yes. So, but then again, every field has so many, competition, so many competitors. You cannot say competitors. Well, I always believe, collaboration over competition. But then, yes, competition, it should be there in a very fair way.
Yes.
Right. Yes. So, yeah. So it's like you need to provide a good content to your members. So I believe in Shri Ji. So I always do meditation every day. I do that. So I try to curate the content on mental health because that's the most ignored topic in India. I don't know why it is ignored, but then it is ignored. So I try to create more content on mental health awareness. So I think that's my niche. That's the niche of my community, and that's how it is growing. And every day, organically, it is growing. And of course, we are also keep taking the efforts. It's not like that just in organic, but yes, we are also because I have a team now, moderator team. So they keep on having that contest and everything. And once the trust of the member built up, I think that is just a word of mouth publicity. Okay, I am there in this community. Have you also joined? So it just all these things count up, and so this is how I am managing, or how I have built my community.
Okay, so how do you manage to get so much traffic, particularly on your website? What's your trick to that?
To be very honest, coming from a non-technical background, बहुत धक्के खाए, but then हमें एक finally एक मिल गया कि we can rely on. So yes, how I'm managing the traffic on my website. So I have outsourced that SEO department. So they send that blogs to me with the desired keywords, because content is again the main king, but then second is you need to have that desired keywords. There are just two factors. First is that एक होना चाहिए कि search volume should be high and competition should be low. So I always have that keywords in my blog. So that's how how I'm getting the traffic on my website. And also I do Pinterest. Pinterest is like my strong, you can say that forte. Again, I didn't had that experience. I didn't took any course. I just learned by myself, seeing the YouTube videos and all that. And yes, on Pinterest. So I am doing Pinterest. So yes, I'm getting good traffic from Pinterest. And I wanted to tell everyone who is watching this that if you are having a blog, So Facebook and Pinterest, they are the best mediums where you can drive the traffic onto your blog, because that will give you the that's an organic traffic. And Pinterest, if your pin gets viral, it will go viral for lifelong.
Oh,
So yes, yeah,
okay. So that means Facebook and Pinterest should be taken care of when you are into
yes,
this.
yes.
Okay, fine.
Because
Great.
yes, Instagram is on trend, but Instagram doesn't drive the traffic onto your blog. So
Yes.
Pinterest and Facebook, and third is
Alright.
Quora.
Yes.
Quora is also a good medium where you can get the traffic onto your blog, but then Quora has some limitations. That every day you cannot share the link of your blog, you get blocked from
Yes,
them.
yes,
So,
yes, yes. Okay, great. So where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
see, I'm very straightforward. 5 years down the line, I wanted to be the topmost blogger of
Wow,
India,
you will be,
and
of course.
yes, and secondly, I wanted to see my community parenting mom style the topmost community. Yes.
Wow, great.
Very straightforward answer. I don't want
Good.
to like yes,
Yeah,
very
yeah.
straightforward.
So, Akanksha, what's your take on newmomlife.com?
Yes, that's amazing website. I saw it, and your YouTube channel is bang on. And I saw the interviews that you are taking with the doctors. Well, due to pandemic, we cannot go out. So like there is one suggestion, like one topic from my side. After the interview, I'll ask you that
Alright.
you can take up with
Okay,
you can
great.
take up with the doctor. And I saw your YouTube channel. It's you are doing amazing. Everything you can find out on YouTube on your channel. Nutrition tips, pregnancy tips, everything, parenting tips, and it's amazing. And it's an amazing initiative that you have taken, interviewing us, because no one interview us.
Oh my God, thank you so much for that. So sweet. So sweet.
Yeah, because it's like कि मतलब हमें भी होता है कि हम आगे किसी को मोटिवेट करें. And it's an amazing initiative, and kudos to you and your team. And just let me know if you need any help in this,
Sure,
because
thank you.
I think yes, I think this initiative, interviewing the moms and who is doing something in their respective field, I think that would be motivation for all the other moms out there. I mean, if they wanted to bounce back up to the work and see, मतलब हम motivation दे सकें, उससे बड़ी क्या बात होगी. And kudos to you and your team, and you're doing super amazing. Do let me know if you need any help in this, because that's an amazing initiative, interviewing all the moms out there in their respective fields. It's perfect.
Thank you so much, dear Akanksha. You're so sweet and so nice, and thank you so much for this encouragement. Thank you so much for connecting and giving your views. That's the most important aspect of a woman's life. Like after being a mom, some moms really want to go to work or do something, but they obviously require some kind of they can take care of the kid as well and be available with them. So I think blogging also is a good option for them, and you have really get to this topic also in your in this particular session. So
Yes. And I wanted to quote over here is that all the bloggers that are there on my board, they are not that bloggers. I mean, they are not by experienced bloggers. They are all the new moms. Because I say to all my bloggers that I don't want that hi-fi English. I just want that kind of a blog that one mother can connect to the another mother. Right?
That's absolutely
Yeah. So it's not, blogging is such a beautiful field, beautiful this area, because you can just sit back at home and do the work, and that's it, and you are getting paid.
Yeah, you are also available with your kid. You can look after your kid all the time. Yes, that's perfect.
And that's you can share your heart out. That's more important. Yeah.
Absolutely. So thank you so much, Akanksha, for connecting with us. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you so much.